So I often hear in coaching sessions, but Christine, I don't want to sound salesy. Now, if you're nodding your head to this, thinking that's me, then let me ask you, what's your belief about salespeople? If it's negative, I bet you had a parent or someone in authority who despised salespeople. Did you hear ever? That man reminds me of a used car salesman barking his pitch. Now, back in the day, selling was high pressured with tricks to make deals. Watch the movie Glengarry Glen Ross. That will give you a good idea how selling used to be. So if your belief is you don't want to sell, let me reframe that belief. Selling is about being of service to the prospect and client, listening to understand, not pitching. So your belief is correct. Don't sell. Believe it or not, I'm an introvert. So high pressure sales wasn't an option for me back in the day. I had to learn to adapt my listening to understand instead of pitching as I was taught. I resisted it. But we're in a different time now, so different rules apply. So let me tell you about Jake. He's in his 60s. He had decades of knowing exactly how to pick stocks for his own portfolio. But when he transitioned from auto mechanic to stockbroker when he retired, he said to me, I don't want to sell, Christine. I just want to help people improve their stock portfolio. And I said to Jake, you came to the right place. That's exactly how I coach. Now think about that. Auto mechanic to a stockbroker in his 60s. He broke a few belief barriers to make that kind of leap. And recently, Jake called to tell me he can't take on any more new clients. He's thrilled with filling his pipeline to the brim. And he thanked me for helping him break those belief barriers. Because for years he privately cultivated a niche, stock trading, that he could later help others with. That wasn't his plan, but I pointed this out because we all have something we can cultivate. For me, it was coaching. Because during my 40 years in corporate insurance sales, I had people asking me, how did I land this deal or that deal? So coaching was a natural next step for a business. I'd already built the frameworks, the systems, and my 90-day pipeline plan. So it makes it easy to share this with you. And I didn't start my business until late, at 59 years old. Beliefs are powerful. They can either hold you back or propel you into the future you belong in.